Alright guys, so I'm pretty sure you know what we're already installing now. We're going to be installing some extendo tie rod ends. Now the question is, do I need these on the car? Not really, but this is just for kind of a safety thing. I mean, the regular tie rods are about this long. I'll pull one off in a little bit to show you guys. But the thing is, you want to have a good amount of thread on here. I don't have that much thread on my stock tie rod ends. And I mean, honestly, if this was my RSX, I probably wouldn't care because I don't really speed in that car too much. But this car right here probably will see 150 plus. And, you know, just having a couple threads on it just doesn't seem too safe for me. So I'm going to install these extended tie rod ends. Hopefully these work. If not, I guess we'll see. So, I mean, step one, all you got to do first is jack up your car and take your wheels off. If you can't do that part, I really don't need to show you that. But, all right, so jack up your car, take your front wheels off, and keep it going. All right, now make sure you got your car supported on some jack stands before you do any of this. Come on up. This is our tie rod end we're going to replace. I just put new ones on here, but they're already kind of too short. So what you need to do is you need to loosen this bolt up here in the back and this bottom bolt, and that'll take the tie rod end off. So I'm gonna go ahead and loosen this up, and I'm gonna go ahead and loosen this bottom. I think this is a 19, and I think this is like a 22, 23, something like that. Yeah, but this is also, the tie rod end is a 19 too. So go ahead and you might have to put a 19 wrench on to hold the tie rod in while you break this bolt. The smart thing to do before you do this is at least, what I do is I put a little bit of paint back here and just mark the end of it so I know where the stock one is, so at least when I put it back. I know the extended one's gonna run longer, but at least can use that measurement to get me, I guess, close to where the alignment was before. You're still gonna need to get an alignment after this because there's no way you can align it perfectly, but yep, just some tips. All right, let's go ahead and break this off and break this bottom one off, and let's go ahead and get tie rod out. All right, so here's the difference in length between the two. It's maybe about an inch, maybe. Not that long, but I mean, just to give you a little bit more thread on there, because I only had maybe thread up to like, maybe there. So at least now I have a full thing of thread on there, so that'll probably work a little bit better. So let's go ahead and install these on, spin them on, and try to adjust right. All right, so got the new tie rod ends on, got the little, I guess, a little nut saver thing here. Tightened up everything, screwed everything on. I kind of just measured and adjusted this difference just to fit. So I don't know. Let's go ahead and just put the car back on the ground and see where the wheels sit. I mean, it's not my job to align it. I'll probably just take it to the shop. I mean, I could string align it in the garage, but that takes a lot of time, or if I could just take it up to the shop and they can align it. So pretty easy, so let them deal with it. All right, let's go ahead and lower this thing back down, get tire back on, see how it sits. All right, guys, and just to kind of finish it up, this is kind of how I got it sitting. I know it's still a little bit off, but I string aligned it, just trying to get it right. So, not bad, easy installation. Let's see, it's not too bad, but I don't know. It's on though, so they're on. Next thing, I don't know, next. We need to get this thing tuned. That's what we need to do. So, alright guys, later.